Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 6 latest defense updates. Number 1, prototype of LCA Tejas Mk2 development on track. HAL has announced positive developments concerning the LCA Tejas Mk2 fighter jet program. The company has begun manufacturing the prototype, marking a significant milestone in the project's timeline. According to Jayadeva, EPDGM at HAL, the company has already begun manufacturing the Tejas Mk2 prototype. This signifies a significant step forward with the initial structure assembly already undergone. Next, Mirage 2005, a tale of bureaucracy, costs and lost opportunities. In the late 1990s and early 2000s, the Indian Air Force was on a quest to enhance its fighter jet fleet with a proven performer, particularly the upgraded Mirage 2005. This quest was fueled by the superior performance of the Mirage 2000H during the Kargil War. However, the journey to procure 126 Mirage fighter jets, ideally to be locally produced, encountered significant hurdles due to bureaucratic red tape and cost concerns, leading to a broader tender process that eventually delayed the acquisition for decades. Next, US made autonomous drone for maritime missions. California-based Ocean Aero is making waves in the Indian defense market with its innovative Triton, the world's first and only autonomous underwater and surface vehicle. Kevin Decker, CEO of Ocean Aero, confirmed interest from both the Indian Coast Guard and Navy in the potentially game-changing technology. The Triton boasts a unique ability to operate on both the water surface and submerged, offering a versatile platform for data collection. Ocean Aero claims the Triton can autonomously gather information from both above and below the ocean surface before transmitting it from anywhere in real time. Next, enhancement of T-90 fleet. The Indian Army, with its robust fleet of T-90 tanks, stands at a critical juncture where adopting innovative tactics and upgrades could significantly enhance its combat effectiveness. Recent developments in Russia's own handling of the T-90 tanks present valuable lessons and opportunities for India. Russia has replaced the traditional cop cage on its T-90M tanks with 2 armor plates, a tactical shift that aims to improve protection and operational efficiency. This move provides a compelling case for the Indian Army to consider similar adaptation for its T-90 fleets. Next, it's raining reapers in Yemen. Does India drone deal need a rethink? The skies over Yemen seems to be raining reapers with the recent downing of the 6th American MQ-9 Reaper drone by the Houthi rebels. This raises serious questions about the effectiveness and vulnerability of these unmanned aerial vehicles, particularly in light of India's planned procurement of 31 MQ-9 Reapers for a hefty $3 billion. Next, INS Mysore celebrates Silver Jubilee after mid-life upgrades. The Indian Navy's frontline destroyer INS Mysore, part of the Eastern Fleet, celebrates its Silver Jubilee on June 2nd, marking 25th year of distinguished service to the nation. The second ship of the indigenously designed and built Delhi-class destroyers, Mysore has played a vital role in the Indian Navy. The ship has participated in numerous critical missions and operations, earning a reputation for yeoman service. Thank you.